JIH 12 horizontal type 45-degree double blade angle sawing machine. When the foot switch or double hand switch is pressed, the machine will perform material clamping, cutting, and spraying lubricating oil automatically. Vertical and horizontal workpiece clamping design ensures extremely firm clamping for any type of workpiece. An interchange on sawing left side and right side saves processing material or allows for right or left cutting individually. The machine is fitted with 2 saw blades, providing 45-degree cuts for both ends of door and window frames, easy and highly efficient. JIH 12 horizontal type 45-degree double blade angle sawing machine.